Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another unboxing. Today, I'm going to be unboxing this. I got myself a knife here, and it should help me get into it. Hold on. I'll figure out how to open this. I don't want to... Oh. Alright. Now I'm just going to rip it open from here. Okay. I didn't expect that. So I'm assuming Samsung must have done that. So I've never seen Samsung print like this. That's my name, but who cares? Now, this is what it looks like. Hold on. I still need the knife. Alright. Ready. Would you look at that? Is there anything else? Huh? Oh! Changeable tips? Nice. I'm not going to lose these changeable tips. Here's the pen. So everybody, I'm going to keep this. Grab my tablet. Would you look at that? I got my pen. Let me test a little drawing with it. Perfect. Works exactly like the S Pen that I had before. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the bell so you never miss an upload. I'm going to be reacting to some Mr. Nightmare after this. I kind of want to, before I go, I want to change the tip. Ignore that. Oh, sweet. I'm gonna put in the new tip. Nice. Perfect. But if you enjoyed the video, like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the bell. See you in my Mr. Nightmare video. Bye.